Sasakupin ng China ang isang bansa hindi sa pamamagitan ng gira kundi sa pamamagitan ng propaganda. Itong paraan na ito ay ginawa nila sa Pilipinas sa panahon ng nakaraang administrasyon. Former President Rodrigo Duterte graced the inauguration of a school building in China named after his late mother, Soledad Roa Duterte, more known as Nanay Soling. In a report from SMN News, the Soledad Roa Duterte Memorial Building in Foggia Normal University was inaugurated on Wednesday, July 19, 2023. The college building named after his mother is located in Fuso, the capital and one of the largest cities in Fujian province. The pastor was joined by Pastor Apollo Kibuloy of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ and former Executive Secretary Attorney Salvador Meljaldia. During the ceremony, the contribution of Nanay Soling as an educator, philanthropist, and social activist has been preserved in the Miss Soledad Memorial Hall and the Center for Philippine Studies. Isa lang to sa mga dahilan marahil kung bakit naging napaka-pro-China si Digong. Part ng Chinese propaganda na nabingwit si Digong.